We're here at the Baby Taj. Hey, you guys! Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're in India. If you're new to the channel, this is April, and I'm Wayne. This is our guide for the day.
Vikram.
We do a video every Thursday, so hit that subscribe button and smash that bell. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
So that was the first Mughal emperor named Babur, who laid the foundation of the empire in 1526, Babur. Successor number 2, Humayun. You got Humayun's tomb in Delhi, his barrier, sandstone building. Number 3, Akbar. Akbar was the one who built the fort, who won the fort from the Hindus and declared the city the capital city. Baby Taj belongs to the 4th generation of the Mughals. This man had a Muslim wife, Noor Jahan, from Persia, which is Iran today. She got this built for the father because her own father was a prime minister of the Mughal. So it's a daughter's tribute to her family from Iran to get them all buried in this mausoleum. So there's no Mughal buried here. These two guys are also buried in different places in Lahore, which is Pakistan today. But there was no Pakistan before 1947, right? So this is what it belongs to. Then number 5, Shah Jahan. The man who built the Taj Mahal for Mumtaz Mahal. That's the title, Mumtaz Mahal. Right? She died and she was buried. So this is the same guy. Number 4, Jahangir. How come the queen built a mausoleum for her family from Iran? What was this guy doing? Well, this was the man always busy with wine and women. King.
Okay.
So he was always drunk, not very attentive, busy in the other stuff, entertainment, amusement, all that. When he's not attentive, he's not taking care of the empire, his wife, Noor Jahan, she took the control. And she declared her the queen. As the kids were too small to become successor. Well, someone needs to take the charge. She took the charge for 13 years. Ever a Muslim queen ruled in Muslim family for that long. Slowly, she brought all the family from Iran. Because at that time, Iran was suffering from a drought.
Okay.
So the people were workless. And her father was a trader, normal trader, right, like a merchant.
Sure.
But there's a chance. She called all the family, declared her own father Itimād-ud-daulah, which means pillar of the empire or the prime minister of the Mughal. So when the father died, he was buried there. What is Baby Taj? We wrongly call it Baby Taj, it's the other way around. Taj Mahal did not inspire this building, this inspired Taj Mahal. Actually, because when this was built in 1628, Taj Mahal was not even planned. The queen died in 1630. Mumtaz, the queen of Taj Mahal. 1631, they only started that. This was already finished. 1628. Taj Mahal belongs to 5th generation. This belongs to 4th generation. These are the 2 replica tombs of the father and her mother. The actual tombs are upstairs in this pavilion.
Okay.
That's the plan of the Baby Taj. It looks like a small baby of the Taj Mahal. That's why we call it Baby Taj Mahal or Mini Taj.
Sure.
Otherwise, the actual name of the building is Tomb of Itimād-ud-daulah. Beautiful gardens like Taj Mahal. Char Bagh. Char means 4. Bagh is a garden. 4 patching garden. Symmetry. And in the middle of that, you got the tomb. And they did have some paintings. So these are frescoes. Stuccos and frescoes on the walls and the ceilings. That's not inlaid.
Sure.
Beautiful gardens. Like I was saying, if you remember, under the British or before the British, it was bushes and trees. So that was blocking the beauty of the building. This and the Taj Mahal. English, the British cut the trees down, redesigned the gardens, and they look different. So it should be visible because these are royal tombs, mausoleums, family mausoleum.
Yeah.
They didn't care about the common people come and see it. They didn't want to, basically. Only they opened it for public in 19th century. Well, what is this? Well, that's a photo frame of the ceiling of that building we're going to see inside.
Okay.
So look at the ceiling, impressive. Diamond cut shape.
Oh yeah.
Imagine the ceiling is like this. You have diamond with prisms. What are these shines? Gold painting. So they're still gold. Imagine when you had a chandelier throwing the beams of lights in every single corner. These are reflecting the beams.
Okay.
All the way, how beautiful this will look like. All the shine was gold. Their entrances are always impressive. Sandstone once again. Do we see the floral pattern, geometrical pattern in white?
Yes.
Marble pieces. It looks like a jewel box, doesn't it?
It does, a jewelry box, I can see that. If you want to learn more about marble inlay, you've got to check out the card above. We show you the ancient practice of how they did the marble inlay.
So these were doors, symmetrical entrances, like one we come from. But this could not be a door because it's to the river. So they just designed it like a balcony. Almost the same structure of the door. Just take a look. You've been to Nepal, right? You're coming from there.
Yes,
Yeah.
Doesn't this look like a pagoda? What is the connection? Nepal? Well, actually Buddhist. Originally, it's a Hindu influence. Like I said, Buddhism is a form of Hinduism.
Sure.
It's a sect of Hinduism. So that looks like a pagoda style. See? That's a Hindu fusion.
Yes.
Indo-Islamic architecture. Well, this doesn't have minarets like Taj Mahal. It has turrets. It doesn't have a dome like Islamic. It is a palanquin or like a pagoda style. Yellow, jasper, that's a highlight. Black, onyx. So some black are restored. You can see new ones. Some are old faded. No human faces, no images, just the floral and geometrical pattern. Look at the intricacy, the dense craft work. Taj Mahal's marble looks much more whiter. It has less intricate on the outer wall.
There is a lot more imperfection in the Baby Taj versus the Taj Mahal.
It was the practice for Taj Mahal.
Here's my suggestion. If you come to Agra and you're gonna go to the Taj Mahal, come to the Baby Taj first, right? Because if you come to it first,
You get an introduction to the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, and then when you get to the Taj Mahal, you're gonna be blown away. We did it the opposite, so it was like, now I'm comparing it to the Taj, which is really not good, because this is very impressive.
It is.
But because we saw the best of the best first, it kind of downplays it.
It's just
It has
different. I always enjoy finding beauty in imperfection.
You can't miss this minor carving. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh,
Looks like a plate being glued and stuck to this.
Yeah.
So it was carved out. Whole intricate carving. Chisel and a hammer.
Is this the same limestone as it is there, or is this marble?
Marble, this is
Okay.
marble.
That's limestone plaster.
Oh, okay.
falling.
See?
Oh, see, that's
This is
beautiful.
painted. That's why it's gone and
Yeah.
faded.
I like it though.
Frescoes.
Yeah, oh,
It's really, really cool.
So the blue comes from indigo, ink plant. Black onyx, white marble, and looks like a rug once again, doesn't it? So you can easily see. So structure is like sandstone. You cannot paint on a sandstone directly. Reason? Sandstone is sedimentary rock. It's porous. It absorbs the colors easily. So you need to put a limestone plaster. So it's all done frescoes all over the limestone plaster. Second thing, limestone has calcium. It absorbs the heat and humidity and keeps the building cooler, because our summers are pretty longer. Almost 6 months is like plus 100 Fahrenheit, right? So you need to keep the building cooler. What is the air conditioning? Nothing. That's why the doors are like open, ventilated, cross breeze.
Right.
Look at the way they have designed their doors,
Yeah.
cross ventilation. Then you can see some seasonal fruits here, mangoes, right? Grapes, painted to make the wine out of it. Well, the king was living that life.
Sure.
Anyways, he watched his steps. Well, here we have this in the main chapel. Again, the ceiling is lower, so it reflects the voice. It's huge echo. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right? But can you see this beautiful structure with diamond cut sheer all the way? Imagine when you had a chandelier and when you were just reflecting the lights on each corner. The gold paint works like anything. So the tomb in the center, perfection, that's the father who was the prime minister of the Mughal, and the daughter built it for her father. Later, added with mother. So that's her mother, queen's mother. Bodies are not here. They're just a senator. The actual bodies are upstairs.
Sure.
Under this pavilion, the palanquin. That looks like a polished wood, doesn't it?
Yes.
It does.
Actually, jasper. Stone.
It's stone.
It's a stone.
Oh, I thought it was wood.
Hey, can you see the shining?
I got a light in my pocket.
That's still real gold. See? Still real gold. So that.
Yeah.
So in
Oh,
this,
wow. So that's gold paint?
yeah, exactly, it was gold painted. It was gold paint. We were talking about the homies in the gardens. Wine jars, glasses. What you said? These are family tombs. You see the shining crystals? That's the dense calcium crystals formation. You can see some restorations. That's new.
Our guide and photographer. It's the blue socks on the shoes that make it. Look at you. You're like a model. Hey, will you please stop doing that?
I'm teasing you.
If you want... Now you screwed me all up. We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living lives.